In today's video, I show e-commerce brands exactly how to use email coupons strategically to lower customer acquisition cost, increase customer lifetime value, and improve profitability. You'll learn how to implement discounts without cheapening your brand by using coupons as strategic rewards within your email's marketing strategy. Stick around until the end and I'll give you a strategic discount implementation checklist plus detailed lecture notes covering everything discussed in this video. The discount dilemma: why most brands are losing money. In today's digital landscape, discounts have evolved from newspaper clip-ons to sophisticated email campaigns. But here's the problem: most e-commerce brands are using discounts wrong, and it's quietly destroying their profit margins. The discount death spiral. Many brands fall into dangerous pattern. They offer bigger discounts to drive engagement. That's not how you want to drive engagement through discounts. You want to drive engagement through providing value, content, and things like that. Because if you do not do that, what's going to happen is that you're training people to visit your brand when only it's on sale. Customers become conditioned to wait for sales, and that's exactly what happens when we're essentially utilizing discounts to drive engagement. You're training people to visit your brand when it's only on sales, and this is going to lead to margins erode as discount frequency increase. You're going to ruin your margins. How much money is going to come out of your pocket is going to ruin your business, and eventually you're going to shut it down. And eventually this is going to lead to brand value diminishes as products are perceived as only worth it on sale. You're training people to essentially visit your brand was only on sale. It's going to cheapen and lower what your brand is in your customer eyes, and we do not want to do that. The business breaks even, or worse, loses money on every transaction, and that's exactly what happens to most people who utilize discounts to drive engagement and keep people attracted to their brand. Their business breaks even, or most of the time what exactly happens is they lose money on every transaction, and that's how they shut down a lot of e-commerce brands and things of that nature. So if you're going to remember anything from this lecture, remember this: the customers attracted by constant discounts are the least loyal. They abandon your brand the moment a competitor offers a better deal. You're not building a customer base, you're renting shoppers, and this is exactly what happens to most people. They think they're offering discount, they actually clientele customer base, but in reality just renting shoppers who are actually the least loyal type of people you want to have on your email list and things of that nature. And eventually a new competitor, which always happen, so you can't be sitting there thinking that will never happen. Eventually will happen, and they're gonna replace you because they're gonna offer a better deal, cheaper prices, and probably more discount, and then a new guy is gonna come in and do the same exact thing to the previous person who did it to you. The paradigm shift from discount dependency to strategic rewards. So we want to move our business from discount dependency to strategic rewards. Building the top of the mind authority. The top of the mind effect is one of the most important concepts you want to learn and apply to your business if you want to succeed. Instead of competing on price, successful brands focus on becoming the automatic choice in their category. When people think about buying phones, what do they think of usually? They think about Apple or Samsung or Google Pixel or things of that nature, but usually it's Apple and Samsung that comes to people's mind first, because these brands were doing marketing for so long. They became the go-to choice in people's head. They live rent-free in our head, and I literally could prove this because I have a Samsung S25 Ultra. Athletic wear, Nike comes to mind. So usually when people think about buying athletic wear for the gym or soccer or basketball, whatever, Nike comes to their mind. Maybe Adidas, maybe Puma, one of those big sport brands, essentially, because these brands are doing the same thing that Apple and Samsung are doing, essentially living rent-free in our head. I could easily prove this by the fact I'm wearing a Nike shirt right now, and then I'm wearing a Nike pants too. So you know this is 100% true. This is not something you could debate. Streaming, Netflix is the default choice. When people think about watching a movie, watching a TV show, what do you think that comes to people's mind first? Netflix. Where do you think the phrase Netflix and chill comes from? It's not a Hulu and chill, YouTube and chill. It's a Netflix and chill for a specific reason, because Netflix branded themselves in that way, so they became the automatic choice in their category of streaming. This top of the mind effect means customers choose you first, not because you're the cheapest, but because you're the trusted authority. So when people think about buying things, sometimes they don't even think about the price of things, because remember, people are willing to pay a large amount of money for the things they really like and for the brands that actually put in the work to prove they are the authority in that category. This is why people buy expensive things and things of that nature. So the question becomes how these brands achieve the top of the mind effect, and they achieve it through these following things, which help them to position themselves better in people's head. Emails that teaches people things that help them solve their problem. Number one, educational content that solve problems. So whether they're utilizing YouTube, utilizing emails, Facebook, Instagram, they provide educational content. Number two, community building. They create belonging. When you create a community where people share the same higher ideals, they share the same goals, desires, and things like that, it creates a sense of belonging. For example, I'm wearing this Nike shirt, so I feel like I belong to the athletic community. Number 3, consistent value delivery beyond product. When you constantly providing value for people beyond just your product, people will love you, respect you, and see you as the authority in that category. Number 4, strategic, not constant discounts to reward behavior. So they utilize strategic discounts as a way to reward people behavior. When someone provide a review on a product, they give them a discount to reward that behavior. When someone sign up to their email newsletter, they provide them a discount to thank them for that behavior. And they're not using discount in a constant way that does not reward behavior. So we want to offer people discounts when they do something for us, so we give them something in return. That's how you reward behavior, and you train people to respect your brands and realize it's a real business, not a business on discount. So when you establish brand authority, you could use fewer, better time discounts to drive specific actions while maintaining healthy margins. The strategic discount framework. Principle 1, position coupons as rewards, not discount. The psychology: when a customers earn a discount rather than receive it passively, they feel accomplished and valued and more likely to complete the purchase and develop a stronger brand loyalty and perceive higher product value. So how are you going to go about implementing this principle? For example, cart recovery, 10% off for completing an abandoned purchase within 24 hours. So we're rewarding them with 10% off if they complete this purchase which they abandoned, and we're adding a sense of urgency, 24 hours. Welcome reward, first purchase discount for new subscribers, acquisition focused. So we're here offering them a discount as a way to thank them and reward that behavior for joining our brand and an email newsletter. Referral bonus, discount for both the referrer and the referred friends, lower acquisition cost. So when someone refer a friend, a family member, or somebody who most likely share the same ideology, same belief system, same pain problems, this is why they invite them to our brand. We could offer them a discount as a thank you gift to reward them for that behavior. Milestone celebration, reward after X purchases or on a customer anniversary. So when someone been with us for a certain amount of time, customer anniversary, or someone who bought from us a certain amount of time, we could celebrate them by offering them a discount, rewarding them for their behavior. Engagement reward, discount for completing a survey, a review, or a social share. So when someone does something that could benefit our business indirectly, like doing a survey so we could know how to fix or improve our business, writing a review is going to help us to build more authority and help people trust us, share us on social media, making us more bigger online, and we could offering them a reward for that behavior in the form of a discount. The result, each discount drives a measurable business objective, not just random sales. Generic discounts waste margin on customers who have purchased anyway. Behavioral segmentation ensures you're offering the right discount to the right person at the right time. High impact segments, new subscribers 0 to 30 days. The goal, convert interest into first purchase. Offer 15% of the first order. Why? Lowers initial acquisition cost, starts the relationship. Active customers, purchased recently. Goal, increase order frequency. Offer early access to sales, bonus, loyalty points. Why? Rewards loyalty without training them to wait for discount. At-risk customers, no purchase in 60 to 90 days. Goal here is to re-engage before they are lost. Offer them, we miss you, 20% off plus free shipping. Why? Strategic interventions save relationships, much cheaper than acquiring a new customers. High value VIP, top 20% spenders. Goal, maintain relationship and increase customer lifetime value. CLV, offer exclusive perks, early access, and special experiences. Why? These customers don't need discount, they need recognition. Cart abandoners, goal, recover lost revenue. Offer time limited 10% off or free shipping. Why? 70% of carts are abandoned, even small recovery rate is pure profit. The impact, by targeting based on behavior, you increase conversion rates by 50 to 100% while reducing wasted discounts by 60 to 80%. Principle 3, communicate value clearly. Your discounts offer competes with 100 other emails in your customer inbox. Make sure yours is impossible to ignore. Visual hierarchy. Use large bold text for the offer. Contrasting colors that align with brand identity. Mobile first design. 75% of emails are open on mobile. Always remember that. So you want to make it easy for someone to see your discount, to see your brand, through utilizing the concept of visual hierarchy. Benefit focused framing. So you don't want to frame it as just 20% off, but you want to frame it in a way that benefits them on something they're interested in. So you don't want to do 20% off. You want to do something similar to save $40 on your favorite product. You're showing how it benefit them by relating it to their favorite product, but also them saving money, which is $40. Stack value when possible. Get 20% off plus free shipping, double loyalty points. This increases perceived value without increasing actual discount. So when you constantly stacking value, get 20% off, free shipping, double loyalty points, etc., etc., what you're doing This will increase the value of the thing you're offering, and this is how people could actually charge higher prices without offering a discount, because the things that people are receiving along with their buying, they are perceiving it as high value. Customers testimonials. Join our 10% happy customers. Build social proof. Include customer testimonials. Join our 10,000 happy customers. Principle 4, remove all friction. Every extra click or moment of confusion costs you conversion. Make redemption effortless. Classical elements. Prominent placement. Coupon code clearly visible, impossible to miss. Copy paste ready. Code in the copyable text form, not just an image. One-click application, direct link that auto applies the code at the checkout. Clear instructions if needed, a simple step-by-step guide. Mobile optimization, responsive design, large tap targets, and minimal scrolling. App integration, deep linking for app users to open directly to checkout. Pro tip, test your redemption flow yourself on mobile. If it takes more than 3 taps to complete the purchase, simplify it. Principle 5, integrate with loyalty programs. Loyalty programs transform one-time discounts into long-term engagement engines. The psychological power of it. Dopamine release. Earning points trigger feel-good brain chemicals. Variable rewards. Unpredictable bonuses create anticipation and craving. Achievement. Progress bars and tiers satisfy our need for accomplishment. Status. Exclusive tiers make customers feel special and recognized. Loss of aversion, fear of losing earned rewards keeps them engaged. Community shared identity with other brands enthusiasts. Strategic integration. Standard coupon redemption earns 1 point. Feature products earn 2 points with coupon. Limited time promotions earn 3 points. Bonus point days create excitement and anticipation. The loan customers with loyalty points have a 47% higher customer lifetime value and 25% higher retention rates. Principle 6, create urgency with expiration dates. Deadlines activate a psychological fear of missing out and combat indecision. Strategic time frame. Flash sale, 2 to 6 hours. The purpose here is to clear inventory, drive impulse purchases, and best for overstock items and seasonal clearance. Psychology, maximal urgency, minimal thinking time. 24-hour promo. Purpose, product launches, special events, best for creating a buzz, testing new products. Psychology, act now or regret it tomorrow. Weekend special, Friday to Sunday. Purpose, boost weekend conversion rate, best for entertainment, hospitality, experience-based products. Psychology, weekend shopping mindset. Week-long campaign, 7 days. Purpose, major promotions, seasonal sales, best for holiday campaigns, anniversary sales. Psychology, urgency with consideration time for higher ticket items. Month-long event, 30 days. Purpose, extended campaigns for expensive products, best for furniture, electronics, B2B services. Psychology builds awareness while allowing decision-making time. Expiration communication, display deadline prominently near coupon code. Send reminder email at 50% mark. Example, 3 days left. Send a final reminder 6 to 12 hours before expiration. Consider last chance extension for non-openers. Use sparingly. Principle 7, follow up strategically. Very important. A lot of brands miss this out. The campaign doesn't end when you send the email. For non-redeemers, reminder sequence. Day 3, don't forget your exclusive offer. Day 5, only 2 days left to save. Final 24 hours, last chance, expires tonight. Psychology, each reminder increases urgency and ensures your offer is in their inbox. For redeemers, thank you email sent within 24 hours. Express genuine appreciation. Suggest complimentary products. Invite them to share their experience. Preview next exclusive offer. Subscribers, why this matters. Thank you emails have 2 to 3 higher open rates. They reinforce positive brand association. They set up the next purchase opportunity. They make customers feel valued, not just transacted with. The profitability formula. Traditional discount approach, send 30 to 50% discount to the entire list monthly. Revenue spike followed by margin erosion. Customers conditioning leads to decreased full price sales. CLV, customer lifetime value, decreases. CAC, which is customer acquisition, increases. The strategic discount approach, send targeted offers to specific segments. 10 to 20% discounts tied to specific actions. Build authority through education community. Use discounts as tactical tools, not crutches. 15% on 1,000 sales at full price is 150 profit per customer. 5% on 2,000 sales at 30% discount is $50 profit per customer. Strategic discounts, maintaining 12% margin while increasing purchase frequency. 250 profit per customer. The results here, lower acquisition cost through loyalty and referrals, higher customer lifetime value through strategic engagement, and predictable monthly recurring revenue MMR through behavior-based triggers. Thanks for watching, and if you're ready to use strategic discounts to lower customer acquisition cost, increase customer lifetime value, and build predictable revenue, grab the strategic discount implementation checklist along with the lecture notes. They show you exactly how to transition your business from discount dependency to strategic rewards so you can start seeing results immediately. You find the link down below.